Hello, boys and girls. So today I'm going to be talking about your writing journal and what you're going to be writing for me today. So in your writing journal, what you are going to do, since we've been talking about characters and how they react to problems, I want you to write about a problem that you had. So at the top of your journal, you're going to write journal number 4. You can pause this if you want to write it down. And then you're going to start by telling me the problem. So one day, Miss Hay woke up late. So my problem was I woke up late. Now, when we're talking about characters, we're talking about how they feel, what they say, and what they do. Now, Miss Hay was by herself, but I was really kind of panicky because I was in a hurry. So I started feeling nervous. I started feeling nervous. Then I tried to make breakfast. I walked away from the stove. Now, when I was getting ready, boys and girls, I left my breakfast cooking on the stove and I walked away from it, which you should never ever do because it's not safe. But Miss Hay made a mistake that morning and she walked away from her breakfast. What do you think happened to my breakfast? Because I walked away from it, wasn't paying attention. If you said it burnt, then you are correct. My breakfast burned because I was in a hurry and I wasn't taking my time. So, how I solved that problem, I ate breakfast at school instead. Alright, so when I'm reading this back to you, I want you to tell me, do I tell you the problem? Do I tell you how I felt? Do I tell you what I did? And did I tell you what I said? Okay? And how I solved the problem. So, one day Miss Hay woke up late. Is that the problem? Yep. So I have that. I can check that off. Okay? I started feeling nervous. Did I tell you how I felt? Yep, so I can check that off. Then I tried to make breakfast, so I told you what I did. I walked away from the stove. My breakfast burned because I was in a hurry. I ate breakfast at school instead, so I told you how I solved the problem too. The only thing I didn't tell you is what I said, because when that was happening, I didn't say anything out loud. I was thinking things in my brain, but I didn't say anything out loud. Alright, because I was by myself. But that's what I want you all to do, okay? So if you were with somebody for your problem, you can tell me what you said. Alright? I can't wait to read your problems and how you solved it and how you felt and what you did. I can't wait to read them. Alright, you should have at least probably 4 sentences this week because you have to tell me what the problem was, how you felt, what you said, and what you did. And you need to tell me how you solved it. So really, that would be how many sentences? 5. So at least 5 good sentences, okay? All right. I'll see you all during the morning meeting.